Good morning, students. Today we are going to know more about the glacier erosional landforms and the depositional landforms. Here, some different landforms we can find out. In the region where the temperatures are below freezing point, there only we can get these type of landforms. Okay, glacier is a form of water only, but it is frozen. So it is because of heavy weight of this ice, moving ice, these landforms we can find out. Okay, so first one is a cirque. Cirque, here the figure is given that because of the moving ice or moving glacier, this cirques can find out in this region. Okay, see, next is how the ice is flowing. Ice is flowing. Actually, from above we can find out it is continuous, but down where it touches the ground, there how it is moving, and because of the weight, how the glacial abrasion we can find out. You know, if a heavy material you are stretching from one place to other place, then you are getting that some scratches. Similar things you can find out in the nature also. So ice flows, how it works, and because of that ice abrasion you can find out. Here are some more landforms you can find out. That is residing the glacier, ground moraine, then the came, kettles, eskers, drumlin, terminal moraine, and floodplains. Wherever the you can find out the glacier ends, there the work of river will start. Before that, the glacier work is there, and after that, you can find out the uh, wherever the glacier ends, that is the starting point of the river. Now, here you can find out easily. Okay, one is a artery cirque horn. See, from the when you are making the fort, Diwali fort, that time how you can make that corner is called a artery, and because of that, the all sides you can find out the artery, and peak will you can find out, and that peak is considered as a horn, Matterhorn peak. How the glacier ice and Roche Motany you can find out. How the direction of ice is given, and because of that moving ice, then Roche Motany is a depositional work of the glacier you can find out. So again here the horn, artery, the center is a, you can find out that curve line is a cirque, hanging valley. Hanging valley we are going to see that again, and U-shaped the glacier, U-shaped glacier valley also you can find out in this one. Again I'll give you the similar figures, because of that you can understand it better. Okay, this is the glacier work. Again, in the different way, the same thing is given. Artery you can find out, horn you can find out, then the cirques you can find out. That inside that here cirque you can find out that cirque very easily, and artery also you can find out. Hanging valley is also given. Here some pictures from the nature only it has been given, and how glaciers we can find out in the nature. This is the part of glacier work, and because of this you can find out horn peaks and a glacier deposition also here. And wherever the glacier ends, there you can find out the trees started. Okay, next this is the picture of the Himalayan ranges only. The glacier how it is working on the, and here you can find out the proper Matterhorn peak and the cirque and the artery also. This is the very ideal example of artery, cirque, and the Matterhorn peak. Just see that and label it properly wherever you can find out this one. Now this is the hanging valley. Hanging valley, you can see this one from above. You can find out this valley is coming from the glacier, and down it is joining the river. So this is the best example in the nature also. Hanging valley, hanging valley means the ice or the glacier ends there, but it joins the in the valley, and that's why it is considered as a hanging valley. More examples are also there, and the pictures also of the hanging valley landforms. See, wherever the glacier ends, there you can find out the starting point of the river, that there you can find out this hanging valleys. And because of this, in between the glacier and the river, there you can find out this valley because of this uh, running water. Okay, this is a picture of a hanging valley. Okay, next one is a depositional work done by the ice or the glacier work after you can find out when the glacier is not available there, means retreating of the glacier. When it retreat completely, then and then only you can find out this whatever remainders, that is the depositional work of the uh, glacier. Means in the moraine also you can find out. See the very nice beautiful picture of the deposition of the glacier work. So it should be compulsory that the deposition you can find out, but it is after when it is disappeared, that glacier should not be there. Here is a one example of Roshmotani also. Roshmotani you can find out, but again it is the same depositional work of the ice or the snow, and when it disappears from that area, then and then only you can find out this type of landforms in the nature. So we have studied different types of landforms today. Thank you.